Hello, welcome back. Right, we got the hub off. All thanks down to that culprit there, look. We couldn't slack the adjuster off. We got to slack the adjuster off, or she won't get the hub off. See? It waits on the fulcrum. So we got to get some cleaning done there. Have a look. There we go. Right. It's working alright there. So we can take them up. Always the leading edge of the top one. It's always the thing here. So these right off. To get it off, I had to make this and put it through the hole and put a bar on it. So that's one tool you have to think about doing. The bar there. So where are we? Let's hit that nut. They're going on for now because I've got the drop back axle, and when I've got it down I'm going to paint it all, so I'll service the brakes and clean them all down then. At the moment I want to get this off so I can get that bush made. So here we go. Let's get the old hub back on, shall we? Right. It's on there, isn't it? Have a look. That'll be a bit of a well job. Right, the hub, that's good. Now no wear on it, so it's been looked after. That's a brake drum retainer screw. There we go. So now, what we'll do, we'll come back to it in a minute. So here we go. That's the retaining screw on. We've got the hub here, where we can see the brake. There's a bit hole in the wheel, so got to pull that through. And I say I'll sort that out later. We've got to find where the hole in the wheel is. There, look. So we'll get that at the top. Not almost. There we go. The hole here. Don't seem to have a hobble. Look at them now, they're bloody slow. Got a hole. So not really hole, is it? So let's get a couple of nuts on. Oh yeah, that one. And as I say, I'll get the axle off. I'll either put some new studs, they just press in and grip on the hub. I might replace old studs and nuts, but they're not original to car, you see. So there we go then. As we can see, I want the lights on here. Nope, can't bloody see. I think I've got it there. Anyway, you get the drift, can't you? It appears I'm going to want a smaller. Screwdriver and a light. So I run round the tyres with you, didn't I? I bought 4 off for a Toyota Yaris, decent tyres, as you might see. 40 quid. So changed them, they've got rims over there. But anyway, that explains the brakes. The front are like that, but they've got 2 on. One each side because it's front, you see, because we've got 2 cylinders on. This one's only got 1 cylinder because it don't need the up to market, but the impact brakes are your front. But if I get time when I'm doing them, I shall, well, I'm going to strip suspension down. I shall do another video on your front, but they're just same as them, but you've got 1 each side, and they're just a lot harder to adjust up and all. Because you've got to do it 1 notch, 1 notch, spin it, 1 notch, 1 notch, spin it, and you've got to do it like that. With this, you just turn it until your wheel locks and just slacken it off till it spins. Anyway, I hope you've learnt something. So, yeah, only thing to say is, see you later.